Hi YouTube, this is just a quick video. Now I've just getting a little camping set, as you can see, without the advertisement. It's from Aldi, right? And it's that there. Now, I mean, I'll probably not use. Well, I'm very unlikely to use the kettle, but £14.99. £14.99 with a 3-year warranty. Look, you focusing? 3-year warranty, after sale support for £14.99. Now I've seen these pans with a different colour handle. I've seen them kicking about, obviously on different sites and stuff, different makes. They'll be made in the same place. And it's just, I'll put you down a second, because trying to unloosen this, unravel this. But for that type of money, £14, you can't not get them. £14. Anything goes wrong in 3 years. Anything goes wrong in 3 years, you give them a call. It's pretty decent quality actually. It's it's £14. You can't be wrong, Rob, can you? Get the bruise on. I'll probably never use that, to be honest. You know, it's I doubt it. I'd rather just fill the void with whatever. If I took a different stove to me Jetboil. So, but it's ideal if there's two people camping. It's ideal. So.